Are you looking for something quick and easy for supper tonight? Well, let's go. I'm going to take this handful of ingredients and I'm going to make it into something amazing. I'm going to start by cooking the 4-cheese ravioli per package directions. I'm going to chop a half a cup of fresh basil. Now for the tomato basil cream. I'm going to take some pre-made Alfredo sauce, pour that into my pot. I'm going to take a little bit of white cooking wine, just a splash, put it back in the jar, give it the old shake, a shake weight, get a little workout for dinner tonight. Now I'm going to open the jar up, pour the white wine and the remaining sauce into our pot. Next I'm going to add diced tomatoes, and about a cup or so of fresh chopped basil. I couldn't find any pre-made Alfredo sauce that had sun-dried tomatoes incorporated in it already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take about 3 tablespoons of sun-dried tomatoes in olive oil, and I'm going to go ahead and add them to the mix. Now I'm going to mix these ingredients together and then move them over to the stove for about 5 minutes on medium-low heat. While my sauce is heating up, I'm going to grate some fresh Parmesan cheese. Now that the sauce is warm, I'm going to add the ravioli. Now I'm going to toss this together. Now this is tossed together, I'm going to top with a fresh grated parm. Finally, I'm going to add a little more fresh basil. And now it's time to plate. And that's how you make a simple weeknight supper. If you like the recipe, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. They're so damn good. If you like these recipes, click on the video here, or wherever I put the video. Thanks.